Hi guys, good morning. I'm here in New Mexico right now. So I'm about to go to the Carlsbad National Park, but I found this stop over here. Let's take a look what's going on here. Carlsbad Caverns National Park, vast wilderness. Look at this. Prickly pear cactus have a bright yellow blooms in the spring, and Los Nopales. Yeah, as I drive along, there's a lot of Nopales cactus. My favorite. Nopales. You are here. So I'm here in Chihuahuan. The Chihuahuan Desert is the largest of North American deserts. Find out more about the others. So nandito ako sa Chihuahuan Desert pala. Great Basin, Mojave. Wow, amazing. So these are the prickly pear cactus. So that mountain there is the one there. That mountain in the picture. And it looks like there's a river down there, but there's no water. Is it drying? And look at the Nopales cactus, guys. The prickly pear cactus. Beautiful. I love it here. Okay, I don't think we're allowed to get out from this fence down here. So these are the Nopales cactus, the prickly pear cactus. Somebody's eating them. And look at that, they are very beautiful. How I wish I can make a farm with this someday. A Nopales cactus farm. Did you hear me, Cactus Nopales? You're gonna help me build that. A Nopales cactus farm. And the guy I spoke to the shop, maintenance shop. There are two kinds of, their flowers. There's a yellow, that's what it said, and the yellow one is not friendly with your stomach, and the pink one is good for your stomach. That's what it said, but I don't know. I have to do plenty of research with that. Prickly pear cactus. They are so beautiful. They're all over the place. Look at this. Wow. How could you not love this place? Beautiful. Okay. Here we go. It's peeping down here. Sorry, you be careful with your skin. You're gonna poke there. They're so sharp. But they don't have flowers, so I'm not sure if this is the yellow fruits. Because there are two kinds of fruits with this one. There's a pink and there's a yellow. But I didn't see any flowers here. Look at this. Oh, below ground, Baja Tierra. Observar paisaje de las montañas de Guadalupe in Texas. It sounds Spanish. And this one, would you guess that the Guadalupe Mountains are riddled with caves? Probably not. Landscape with sinkholes, disappearing streams called karst gift. Okay, look at this. Scarce rainfall in this high desert. Look at this, very beautiful. And the landscape in Carlsbad Caverns National Park. Beautiful. Oh, there's a table here. You're gonna do some picnic, so you can. Look at this. Let's take a look. Let's explore. Anyway, it's still early. I still have to go to the cave. Look at this, how pretty it is. I really love this. I love all kinds of cactus, guys, but whatever it is, my favorite is the Nopales one, so hopefully I can plant this someday. But this one, it looks like it's being eaten by insects. Yeah, the one in the shop, that was really beautiful. I don't know if we can pick up something here, some leaves, because the way they plant it, it looks easy. They just poke on the soil and then they grow. But I don't know if we're allowed to pick up something here. This is a part of the national park. Can I? At least one leaves. You have a lot of leaves anyway. Oh, this is sharp. I should have brought my scissors. Yeah, probably can get one here. What can I collect? Maybe there's camera down here. If I pick up one, camera will catch me. But there's a lot, guys. Come on. I don't know if this is hard to find this in California, because this place should be in the desert, but California has a big desert, but I didn't see this kind of cactus. I don't know what is in here, why this cactus really loves to grow here. Probably with the wind, with the weather. Very beautiful. Yeah, there's a lot. Maybe I'll get one leaves or two. Then I'll put a pot on my van. I grow in my van. But I'm not sure what is the color of the fruits is this. It's gonna be yellow or pink. Look at that, there's a lot of them upstairs.